Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Cricut Joy card on your Maker or your other machines. It's the T-Rex birthday card. It's similar to my previous video with the tandem bike with flowers card. I've already got the T-Rex birthday card pulled up in Cricut Design Space. My machine is turned on. I already have my pen inserted. And you're going to need a piece of cardstock cut at 4 1/4 by 11 inches. And your insert cut at 4 by 5 1/4 inches. And we're going to pre-score the cardstock at 5 1/2 inches. Okay, so this is going to be the placement on your mat, and you're going to place it just under the 14. The gap is 1/8 of an inch here, and then also it will be 1/8 of an inch gap right here in the corner. I've already pre-scored my card, and I can tell that there's going to be 1/8 of an inch gap right here. Your cardstock will hang over your mat, but that's not a problem. We're going to put it in our machine, press the load button, press continue. Select medium cardstock, everything's loaded, select fast mode, and then press the Cricut go button. Okay, so now it's done. I'm going to unload the mat, and there's the card. And since I've already pre-scored it, all we have to do is fold it. And I'm using my scraper tool to make the edges crisp. And then the last step is just to put the insert in. And there is the T-Rex birthday card. This is the pre-made envelope. And it fits in there perfectly. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this helps you guys, and I'll see you next time.